Mark 7. The Farisee Tradishon. The Pharisee people and some law teachers wey come from Jerusalem gather for where Jesus dey. They come see say Jesus' disciples dey chop bread when they never wash their hand. Because the Pharisee and Jew people no dey chop unless dem wash their hand according to their tradition. And when they come back from market, they no dey chop unless dem first wash their hand. They still dey follow many other traditions, like to wash cup, kettle, and chair where they dey sit down put chop. The Pharisee people and the law teachers come ask Jesus, why your disciples no dey do according to our tradition, but instead dem dey chop with dirty hand? Jesus answer them, the thing where prophet Isaiah prophesy about una na true, because una dey pretend as dem write for God word. These people dey praise me with their mouth, but their heart dey far from me. Dem dey worship me for nothing. They teach say make people obey human being law. Dem no dey respect God law, but dem dey obey human being law. Jesus still tell them, una reject God commandment so that una go fit keep una own. Because Moses say, make you respect your papa and mama, and anybody wey curse im papa or mama, they must kill am. But una say e dey okay for person to tell him papa and mama say, make you no vex, I no fit help you, because the money wey I suppose give you, I don't give am to God like this. So like this, una no go let the person do good for him mama or papa. Na so una dey use una tradition where una dey teach people take dey spoil God word. And una still dey do many things like this. Then Jesus called the people again, say, everybody, listen to me. Make una for understand wetin I dey talk. Not be wetin enter inside person body go make am dirty for God eye. Instead na wetin come out from him mouth dey make am dirty. Anybody wey get ear, make he hear wetin I dey talk. When Jesus leave the people, enter house, him disciples come ask am about the parable. He come tell them, na so una full reach. Una no know say anything wey from outside enter person belle no go fit make am dirty for God eye. Because not be the person heart e dey enter, na him belle, and e go shit am comot. This one mean say all food dey clean. Jesus come say wetin come out from person heart, na him dey make am dirty. Because to sleep with who you no marry, to thief, to kill person, to sleep with another person husband or wife, long throat, evil things, to deceive person, to dey misbehave, jealousy, to spoil another person, to carry body up, and to do foolish things. Now from inside person heart, all these bad things dey from come. All these evil things dey come from inside person, and na them dey make person dirty for God eye. One woman faith. After Jesus comot from there, he come go the area where they dey call Tyre. When he enter one house, he no want make anybody know say he dey there, but he no fit hide. One woman where evil spirit dey carry im daughter come hear about Jesus and he come meet am, come fall for im front. The woman na Greek wey come from Syrophoenicia. He come beg Jesus make he drive the demon comot from im pikin body. But Jesus tell am make the children chop belleful first, because e no good to take children food give dog. The woman answer, yes, Oga God, but even dogs dey chop the small small food wey dey fall from children plate. Jesus come tell am, since your faith strong reach to talk like this, make you dey go. The demon don comot from your pikin body. When the woman reach house, e come see im pikin sleep for bed and the demon don leave am. Jesus heal deaf and dumb person. Then Jesus comot from Tyre, come pass Sidon, go Galilee Sea for Decapolis area. Some people carry one man wey no dey hear or talk come meet am, say make he touch the man with him hand. When Jesus don take the man go corner for where people no dey, he come put im 2 fingers inside the man ear. He spit for im hand, come touch the man tongue. Then he look heaven, come say, Ephrata, wey mean make you open. At once the man ear open, im tongue loose, and he come start to talk. Jesus come say make dem not tell anybody wetin happen, but they come dey talk am for everywhere. People surprise where they say Jesus don do everything well. Even make the people wey no dey hear, and people wey no fit talk, e don make them dey talk.
All of us for Barnabas Corner, they say we thank una for watching. Abeg, una go help us subscribe to the channel, then now click that notification bell so that anytime we upload another new video on our phone go green una. Una go help us like the video, una help us share am with una friends, and most important, make una tell us wetin una think for the comment section below. May Baba God bless all of us. Amen.